Dear prospective students, beside creating a lot of opportunities for you, BS English program is the best degree if you want to pursue CSS or PMS program. We prepare you for all the compulsory papers such as English essay, English Pressy and Composition, Islamiyat, Pakistan's current affairs, general science and abilities. With strong background in creative arts and humanities, BS English program can also help you out in the following papers: World History, English Literature, International Relations, Journalism, and Introduction to Business papers. So, secure your seat of success with this degree program to serve Pakistan. My name is Dr. Taimur Kiani, and I'll be your guide in this exciting journey. Thank you.